In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly access the TradingView charts through Deriv. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this guide will help you effortlessly navigate the process. First things first, if you already have an account, go ahead and log in as you usually would. If you're all new here and don't have an account, don't worry, it's quick and easy to set one up. Simply head over to the Traders Hub on the Deriv platform. Here you'll find the option to create an account. Just follow the prompts. Enter your basic details, verify your information, and you'll be all set in no time. Once your account is active, you're ready to explore everything the platform has to offer. Now that you're signed in, let's move on to the next step, which is opening Deriv. Consider this your gateway to a wealth of trading features and tools, including the sought-after TradingView experience. Accessing Deriv is straightforward. Generally, you'll find it under the list of platforms on the Deriv homepage, or you may have a direct link via your dashboard. Once you've located it, click to open up the platform. With Deriv open, our goal is to get those TradingView charts up and running. TradingView is renowned for its comprehensive charts and analysis tools, contributing significantly to enhanced trading strategies. The beauty of it is that it's all accessible within your Deriv platform. To launch TradingView charts, look for the plus icon, which is typically found on the main dashboard or toolbar within Deriv. Give that a click to reveal an expanded menu. From here, select Tools and you'll see TradingView listed among the options. Clicking on TradingView will launch the charting tool, ready for your use. Should you prefer working with a predefined setup rather than starting from scratch, you have the option of loading the default layout. This can be particularly helpful if you're still finding your way around and want a reliable starting point. To wrap it up, logging in or creating a new account, opening Deriv and launching TradingView charts is a straightforward process that opens up a world of trading opportunities. Whether you choose to customize your charts or utilize the default layout, you're well on your way to more informed and strategic trading decisions. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're feeling more confident navigating through the Deriv platform to access TradingView tools. As always, take your time to explore all the features at your disposal. Thanks for watching and happy trading.